Let's understand the mechanism of chymotrypsin in the simplest way possible. First, the substrate enters the active site where the famous serine protease triad is present. Aspartate 102, histidine 57, serine 195. Remember this order: aspartate 102, histidine 57 and serine at 195. At this stage nothing has reacted yet. The three amino acids are connected only through hydrogen bonds. See these hydrogen bonds. The peptide bond of the substrate is positioned exactly in front of serine 195, preparing it for attack. Now the chemistry begins. Aspartate 102 pulls electron density towards histidine 57. So what happens? Histidine now removes the proton from the OH group of serine 195. As soon as serine loses its proton, oxygen becomes O minus, powerful nucleophile. Nucleophile means it has pair of electron which is ready to give to other. So serine is activated and ready to attack the substrate. Now activated serine attacks the carbonyl carbon of the peptide bond. This will form the covalent bond between serine and substrate. At the same time, the peptide bond begins to break. Histidine now donates the proton to living amino group, allow the first peptide fragment to leave amino group. One peptide fragment has left. The remaining fragment is still covalently attached to the serine 195. See this. Now a water molecule enters the active site. Histidine again acts as a base. It removes the proton from water. Same reaction. In first, it takes the proton from serine. Now it is taking proton from water, generating hydroxide ion. Hydroxide is another powerful nucleophile. Nucleophile means it has a pair of electrons ready to attack. Its job is to attack carbonyl carbon again. Hydroxide attacks the carbonyl carbon, breaking the bond between serine and substrate. The second peptide fragment is released now. Serine regains its hydrogen and returns to its original form. The catalytic triad is completely regenerated and ready to digest another peptide bond. So remember, entire mechanism is in just 4 words: bind, attack, hydrolyze, release. In hydrolysis, H2O, water, is being used.